Leadvision presents the proper installation of a composite deck. Firstly, decks built from composite wood planks are vastly different from their treated wood counterparts. As such, the methods of installation have been adapted and must be respected. We strongly recommend that you verify with your municipality's urban regulations before starting your project. Secondly, contrary to popular belief, the composite itself won't warp, but the wooden structure beneath might, depending on the conditions it faces. A well-vented and adequately dried wooden base will be the key to a successful installation. We strongly suggest you use trellis paneling to close off and seal the sides of your deck to ensure you get optimum ventilation. The composite boards should never be screwed together, nailed into, or cut. In rare cases where cutting is needed, you will require a carbide circular saw blade to make the cut, as well as traditional wood sealant to seal the cut extremities. Whether you're planning for an installation of a new deck or replacing an existing one, the following guidelines must be followed. Your installation must provide a minimum spacing of 12 inches between the ground and the bottom of the deck. Proper installation of screw piles will ensure the structure's stability. To avoid any warping of the joists, an adequate flow of air and proper ventilation below the deck is required and must be constant. Precautions should also be taken due to the product's natural expansion and contraction with regards to temperature. To respect the product's warranty, the locking clips must absolutely be sourced by the manufacturer. Locking clips come with a distinct color code which makes them easy to identify. The blue-colored box is for Elegance Plus, and the green-colored box is for Elegance Premium. All hardware required to properly secure your deck's planks are separated into 3 categories. 1. The base locking clips will allow you to adequately secure the composite planks. 2. The side fasteners will serve to secure the stairs nosing and perpendicular planks to their respective counterparts. 3. The anchoring fasteners, which must be situated at the middle of the deck, will lock the planks in place and keep them from moving or shifting. Before installing composite planks, you should always be up to date with the newest installation tricks and tips. Make sure you check with your salesman or manufacturer before starting any project. We recommend the joists be set at a distance of 12 inches to ensure an optimal installation. When joining planks, joists should be doubled. Locking clips must always be screwed in at an angle of 90 degrees in conjunction with its joist. In the case of all perpendicular installations, joists marked as H-type will need to be installed to avoid jointing, cutting 2 planks. To further protect your structure from weathering, we suggest you cover each joist with a bituminous coating. Due to the positioning of the locking clips, the stair nosing will always need to be installed first. For this reason, we strongly urge you to always begin installation at the outermost part of your patio and finish against the house. The stair nosing installation will require extra attention and precision due to its importance in creating a level flooring. Only once the stair nosing is installed, squared, and leveled can you proceed to the plank assembly stage. We strongly recommend you never join 2 planks directly together, as the composite will react to temperature variation. If, however, you join 2 planks together, locking clips will be required. To secure each plank, you must position the locking clips either to the left or to the right of the plank's extremities. Unlike in conventional installations, where the locking clip is placed at the center of each plank, you must never put more than 1 locking clip per plank. For the stairs installation, you will follow nearly the same principle as the patio, with the exception of the distance between each joist or slit being installed at the maximum value of 12 inches. The extremities, however, will have to be tripled to ensure a solid and secure installation of the composite planks. When installing planks or the fascia, we recommend that any necessary screwing must always be pre-drilled. The composite ramps offer color schemes that match any patio. Whether your project consists of a right slope ramp or simple staircase, you will find all the necessary hardware you will need in the box to get the job done right. Make sure you follow the instructions provided in the box or on our website to heed the manufacturer's recommended measurements. Should you need to cut your composite ramp, you will need to source some hardware from an authorized dealer or Leadvision product carrier. For a professional-grade installation, we strongly recommend that you call a knowledgeable contractor to ensure the highest quality finish. Leadvision thanks you and wishes you a wonderful season.